Here's our 8-day itinerary in Bangkok, Thailand. Share ko sa inyo, besties, where to eat, what to do, where to party, our BL itinerary, where to shop, and more. So simulan na natin with Thailand's famous street food. I think the best place for Bangkok street food is here sa Jod Fairs. Mainly because of its variety kasi andito na lahat. From your Thai staples and to exotic street foods. Next naman are the street food located at Platinum Mall. Very convenient kasi after nyo mag-shopping, street food kayo. Although ang dami nyo pagpipilian, medyo mahal lang ng konti dito. Next naman are street food sa Khao San Road. Ito siguro yung pinaka-cheapest pero not a lot of variety. And of course, yung street food sa Chatok Chak Market. There's an area here na nandun na lahat ng street food. Perfect to after nyo magpaguran sa kaka-shopping. Next naman is what to do. Of course, famous si Thailand sa kanilang mga temples. You can visit all three, Wat Arun, Wat Pho, and the Grand Palace. 1,000 baht enough na for all three temples. Next naman is of course the famous floating market and the Maeklong Railway. You book this via Klook and you can use my Klook code to get a discount. For me, sobrang worth it yung experience. Probably do this once lang when you visit Bangkok. So might as well, diba? If you're a dog lover like us, you definitely don't wanna miss this. Best experience ever dito sa True